Okay, so today we're going to be looking at scale using an atlas. Now the reason we use scale is because obviously if I had this world map, I can't put the actual distances on my page, it just doesn't fit. So in this case I'm going to be working with the scale from 1 centimetre, which is equal to 9.62 kilometres. That just means everything fits on my page. So I'm going to look at how far London to New York is. So I'm going to find New York on my map, which is here, and London, which is over here, and I'm going to use my ruler and the centimetre side, because I'm looking at this part of my scale, to measure. So it is actually 10 centimetres from London to New York. So the way I would find out how far it actually is from London to New York is I would realise that this is 10 times this. So I need to do exactly the same on this side. So I need to do 9.62 kilometres times 10. Now obviously you could use grid method, but we love our place value sliders. So I'm going to write 9.62 in my place value slider. I'm going to slide it this way to see that the answer is 96.2 kilometres away. So working to this scale, I can see from London to New York, 6.2 kilometres. Obviously New York is a lot further away from London than that, but because we are using this scale and this map, that is how far it is away in this case. Now, I might then change my scale, so I might do Ottawa to Moscow, and I might make my scale every 2.5 centimetres is 992.8 kilometres. Okay, so that makes it a little bit trickier. So I'm going to do Ottawa to Moscow. So I found them both on my map, here and here. I measured them and they are 15 centimetres away from each other. So I then need to work out how many 2.5s are in 15. Well, I know that that is 6, because if I times it by 6, I will get 15. So I'm going to then need to times this part of my scale by 6. So I've got 992.8 kilometres times 6. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a calculator, but I would expect you to use the grid method or column multiplication to solve this and check your answer with the calculator. So we've got 992.8 times 6, which equals 5956.8 kilometres away. Obviously, you would use the calculator to check